In 2025, the simplest way to get outdoor surveillance might be this right here, the TP-Link Tapo Pan-Tilt Outdoor Camera, the VistaCam 360. It connects wirelessly and it is solar powered, meaning that there are no batteries that need to be removed for charging. And with smart features like person and pet detection, as well as the option for cloud or local storage, it's ready to deliver peace of mind for the connected home. And thanks to TP-Link for sponsoring 9 to 5 Mac on YouTube. Let's check it out. TP-Link offers several Tapo cameras for various applications, but this particular model is the TP-Link Tapo VistaCam 360, or also called the C660. It's packed with features with 4K resolution, 360-degree pan, and a 24/7 time-lapse capture mode. The kit that we have comes with a mounting bracket, the camera, and a solar panel with a USB-C cable to connect to the camera's charging port. But one of the best features here of this kit is how fast and easy it is to install. Using the included drilling template made mounting the camera take all of 10-15 minutes tops. Just pick your location, stick on the template, drill 5 holes, and then use the included hardware to secure it. Drywall anchors are also included to make securing to any surface simple. And once everything is set up, just 45 minutes of direct sunlight will power the camera for a full day. It's very convenient not having to worry about charging an outdoor camera or running any power cords to it. There's a battery percentage indicator in the app, and so far the battery has only been down to about 98% in the mornings. And even though the sun is getting lower in the sky, the short amount that the solar panel does get on the front of my garage quickly tops it back up to 100%. I've had Wise cameras set up in my office looking through my windows at the driveway in the past because I didn't want to run a cable outside of my office. This easily solves that issue. With everything set up, there are some great features built into the camera and app. There is AI motion tracking and smart detection. There are individual toggles for generic motion, person, pet, or vehicle detection. In my experience so far, the Tapo was able to accurately identify all of those things moving around in my driveway. Auto tracking can also be enabled so that the camera will pan and tilt to track the motion it detects. Now with that full 360-degree panning, it can follow the action for quite a while. And once the action has passed, the camera will return to its original position so that it is monitoring the area that you have chosen. Additionally, a patrol mode can be enabled where the camera will automatically reposition itself to check a few different areas in view, and those can all be set manually. There are 2 different ways to view events and download or share footage. First is cloud storage that does require a subscription but comes with a free trial. Or the other way, the one that I prefer, is by putting an SD card in. Local storage will loop record and can be set to only capture events or can record 24/7 in that time-lapse mode. And you can set intervals from anywhere from 1 second to 1 minute. And this is what the time-lapse mode looks like. I've had it set to 1 second, I believe, maybe 5 seconds, but you can scrub around in the timeline here and it will play through the time-lapse until the next recorded event and then play that event. And the image looks great in my experience. That 4K image is plenty sharp at night and during the day. It's easy to zoom in and inspect the footage to get a closer look. The TP-Link Tapo has infrared lights that worked perfectly for picking up my dog and me moving around in our driveway at night. It delivered a bright black and white image that made it easy to see movement. Alternatively, there is a full color mode that will turn on the spotlight to display the picture in color rather than black and white. And if you see someone moving around in your driveway and want to ask them a question, the TP-Link Tapo also has 2-way audio. So if someone's moving around outside, you can ask them, "What are you doing?"
What are you doing here?
What are you doing? So altogether, this TP-Link Tapo camera kit is a simple, powerful home surveillance camera. It was incredibly easy to set up and has worked flawlessly for me to keep an eye on my driveway. The image is sharp, looks great at night, and having the ability to pan and patrol with 360-degree rotation is a nice, handy feature. If you want to pick one up, there's a link down in the description, and thanks again to TP-Link for sponsoring 9 to 5 Mac on YouTube.